Oh, hello friends. I am here this afternoon to do a quick little update on what we've been doing around the farm. Or, well, that's not really a farm, I guess, but it's a dream to have a farm. What we've been doing around our house. And yesterday we spent all day cleaning out our last raised bed that we had left where we had to move our garden, and it was full, I mean full of strawberries, and we had to dig all of those out and transplant them. And I started with 6 plants last summer, and the plants, or the strawberries that I have, are called lipstick strawberries, and they are what is called a steppable crop. And what that means is this particular type of crop or plant thrives on being walked on. They like the pressure, they like the fact that you walk on them. It helps them to grow. Now, I had mine growing in a 2 by 8 foot raised bed, and so obviously we couldn't get up there and walk on them, but I would walk by and I would just press like this all over them and mimic walking on them. And let me tell you, if I'd have known they were going to spread like they did, I would have only bought 1 or 2 plants. They took over that 2 foot by 8 foot raised bed. I have enough strawberry plants to put them in some goat protein lick tubs. I have 6 of them with no less than 7 plants per tub. I'll show you those. I have gone around our elm tree. They will get sun, but they'll also get shade, which will help them. They're looking a little wilty today just because they were transplanted late yesterday afternoon. But I have 6 protein tubs here around the elm tree. We have volunteer blackberry, raspberry plants growing in our lawn. We decided to put a cage around them so they wouldn't get mowed off. That way we would maybe be able to transplant them into a tub so they don't take over the yard. But anyway, we have these 6 protein tubs full of strawberries. I do need to get some more water to them today so that they don't continue to be in transplant shock. But I don't know if you can kill these berries. They are very prolific. And then I started out with 2 what are called jelly bean blueberries. They're small blueberry plants that do well in containers, and we transplanted them into these large protein tubs that were given to us. And when I went to check on my blueberries to see how they were doing this spring, I discovered that there was some more berry plants, and I don't know, when I used Google Lens, it said, I'm not sure which one of these, I have 3 tubs here, I'm not sure which one of these has the volunteer. I think it's this one. There were 3, yeah, it's this one here, 3 sprouts that had leaves coming out on it. According to Google Lens, it was saying they were mulberries, However, the 3 sprouts came up between the 2 blueberries. So it's possible that they may have come up from the root of the 2 blueberry plants. And if I find out that they're not mulberries or blueberries, I'll just pull them up and plant a different berry in here, or get a stronger blueberry plant that I know for sure will take off. So anyway, then that brings me to the rest of the strawberry plants, because that by far is not all of the strawberries that I dug up from that raised bed. I decided that since they're raising the rent and we're struggling as it is, I needed to take what resources I have and try to raise a few funds. And, well, let me just show you. Folks, that is 29 little starter pots. Every pot has no less than 2 berry starts, and there's only a couple that have only 2. Some of those pots have 5 starters of strawberries. Now I'm stuck on blueberries. They have no less than 2. Most of them have 3. Some of them have 5 strawberry plants in there. And I plan to take those to where Logan works at the stockyard and see if I can't sell them and make a little bit of money on the side from my blessing. But folks, that's not all. No, that is not all. I went to the Dollar Tree earlier this spring, and I bought a bunch of these green stalk light towers. And folks, every pocket, except for on this very top here, every pocket has no less than 1. Some of them have 2 to 3 little strawberry starts. Yes, folks, that's what I said. There is strawberries in almost every single one of these holes on my tower. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers with no less than 1 to 2 plants per hole. So that's 15 more in there, plus 1 more hole that had a strawberry in it from last fall. But folks, let me tell you what, that's not all. I still had no less than 50 plants left that I took to a neighbor, and she works with the developmentally disabled, and she works in a group home. And this young lady that she works with wants to learn how to grow her food, and she wants to learn how to do a little bit of preservation. And she has a whole bunch of space around her home that is just nothing. It's just bare ground. And so my neighbor is going to keep a few of the strawberries for her grandkids, but the rest of those strawberries are going to bless this young lady that she works with, and they're going to plant them all around her home so that she and her roommates can partake of this amazing bounty that 6 plants created. And so I am super excited to be able to bless this young lady and my neighbor with the bounty of lipstick strawberries. If you are interested in a crop that keeps on giving and giving and giving, and it's super fun, you can walk on your crop to stimulate it and cause it to produce even more, then look for the lipstick strawberry, or really any steppable crop. They are super fun. There's all different kinds of steppable crops available, and you'll have fun with them. But if you do buy steppable crop lipstick strawberries, just be forewarned, you need a large area, because they will reproduce and reproduce and reproduce. You need a large area for them, or lots and lots of friends who want to take some off your hands. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope that you're having an amazing day, and enjoy this glorious afternoon. So be well, be happy, and have a great afternoon. See you next time.